hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time it is. I'm at Pincher's HQ and today is just a marvelous day. Yo, my name here low, don't judge me for that. You know, for the like, comment, share and subscribe. Yo, today is going to be a marvelous day. Today is a marvelous day itself. All the clips go be in, you go see some nice people, you go see some persons that you know already, so you know what to do. Do the dirt. Yes, sir.
Hey, morning everybody. My name is Andrew Waite from Andrew's cateringja, otherwise known as Manze to most people. Welcome to Pincher's headquarters, where you get the best jerk chicken, jerk pork, best seafood any day of the week. One hour wait pan and no need for forward. Thank you.
So now we're going in the kitchen with Chef Manize. So what go on?
What have there? No?
You there?
Yes,
so, look. Okay, we are turning on today.
No.
The fish itself, the smell of the fish is just wonderful. Like, it's just delectable. And you're not even tasting it, you know, you can just feel it, man. Chef Manize.
Yes, sir.
Got it, man. Smelling nice, you know, man.
That is one of the importance of seasoning not only the fish, but also seasoning the oil.
So why you do this, so?
Can cook it up so you can spread level out underneath. Clean them properly. So you're gonna pull the grill. The grill is gonna pull right up.
Right up?
Yeah, you're gonna see how it's going.
Jerkpork now, right?
There.
How we seasoning you put on it?
All homemade. All my natural herbs and spices blended and marinated over 3 days.
Over 3 days?
Sir.
You say you marinate this for 3 days?
For 3 days. Yep, has been soaking since Tuesday night.
The smell, the aroma is something else, man. Last man, everybody get sanitized, right?
Yeah,
Everybody get checked, right?
straight up.
You want see machine number though?
Machine them down, tool them there.
Tool them
Yeah
there.
man, tool them there. If you not take check, you can't go in.
Yes, sir. Finger licking good though.
Nice man, nice. Connect.
We know.
So it is. How it is?
Bad.
10 out of 10 though?
20 out of 10. Eat what we have, we can't watch how we eat anymore. So, it's a good man.
Yeah.
Please support me.
Yeah man. Very homely.
So
Well
he's
seasoning. Seasoning is very good. Not too spicy. Oh man, this is yes, I don't want this somebody else might. This is perfect. This is perfect.
Round 5, and we reach out. They're ready for food.
And the crackers.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Then you put some butter on top. So it's even nice sound.
Marketing and sales officer for North Coast. So I'm responsible for naturally all sales affiliated business with the company and marketing of the company. Alright? Of course we're eating some nice good jerk chicken.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so what we're going to be ordering today? What do you have in today, because?
Jerk chicken and some Hamilton sausages. Alright.
Well seasoned.
Yeah, well, already.
Well seasoned right there.
Hey, real pork connoisseur. Porky, all kind of pork. He's a pork connoisseur. Whoa. Sorry. It's still pork.
You know, the catering.
Catering, Saturday Sizzle, every last Saturday of every month, you know. The best jerk pork, best jerk chicken, escovitch fish, roast fish. We have a wide variety of food that we do on a last Saturday. All the chicken, all the pork, Pinchers provides with beautiful, all kind of meat. You know, so you know it's an absolute pleasure for everybody to turn out, getting the support that I've gotten. I really appreciate it. I can't tell these guys thank you enough. You know, Pure Meats, #1 place to get your pork, your chicken, beautiful cuts.
Fish room.
Fish, everything, see that, even the fish. You know what
And
I'm
the
saying?
fish.
Yeah,
Alright,
this is Pinchers.
so thank you, Pinchy, for of course having this nice little place around the back door, and not a lot of people can find unless you're supposed to find it. Yes. And only interested people come around here. And you know, despite the fact that coronavirus is going on and everything, we still have a little place where we can come and chill and everything.
Alright, so the prep process for me, it's one of the most important parts. Because especially my jerk pork and my jerk chicken, they have to be marinated for a minimum of 3 days. So when I start prepping, I start the preparation process from maybe the Tuesday or the Wednesday before, so it is properly marinated, you know, with the Jamaica's #1 seasoning, which is pimento. It is the secret ingredient to any great meal. Pimento, of course, original Scotch bonnet pepper or local ginger, thyme, all of that. So, you know, those are some of the main ingredients in it. I can't disclose all my secrets because, you know, I want you to come and support me. And also the seafood and stuff like, so even with my fish, I just don't put regular powdered seasoning in it. You know, I still blend up some of my seasonings on it, not so overbearing because you still get that fresh taste of the fish, but it always has that spice that people like. You know, my escovitch sauce is done with sweet peppers and onions and peppers. You know, you still use pimento in there, you know, just to enhance the flavor. And the greatest thing, I put love in there. Yeah, if you don't enjoy what you're doing, then nobody else will. If I won't eat it, I'm not going to give you to eat it. So that is just my motto. So I take pride in everything that I do. So thank you again.